Hi, my name is Michelle Thomas, and I am a kindergarten teacher in Cincinnati, Ohio. This will be my third year teaching kindergarten. I absolutely love it. The kids are great. So something I hope to gain from this class is just more insight on how to include different types of technology in my classroom. Through the different modules we're going to go through and from each of you along the way. Some of my strengths with technology, I feel like I'm just getting better in general and including it in my classroom. I'm just getting more comfortable with using different apps, different websites. One thing I really started this year I like is Class Dojo. My parents really like it as a way to communicate with me. It's just another great way to incorporate technology in my classroom. My kids love when I send pictures of their work to their parents. As far as message design goes, I feel like my knowledge for that isn't very strong. I don't feel like I have a lot of background knowledge on that, but I'm definitely hoping to gain a lot more through this class. And I really just hope to learn a lot from each of you and from Dr. Jones along the way. I've enjoyed all my classes so far at Fort Hays State University. I feel like I've learned a lot and really been able to take some great key points away to use in my classroom. And a little fun fact about me is that I coach cross country at the high school in our school district. I'm an assistant coach there, and it's been great so far. I really like it. So once again, I can't wait to get to know each one of you more, and have a great day. Thanks.